Role, assistant, reasoning underscore content, user wants, short true crime script 60 से 90 seconds 150 से 200 words, using dot. Markers. Must end with a question that forces viewers to comment. Keep sentences short and punchy for TTS. Use only real well-known cases. The hook first 3 seconds shocking. They want reading. The script must have 150 to 200 words. Must use. Must end with a question. In NV need short sentences, punchy. 150 से 200 words. Let's aim for 180 words. In N real well-known case, maybe the murder of John Bennett Ramsey, or the Zodiac Killer, or the Black Dahlia etc. The requirements with a dark secret. They want story around requirements? I'm not sure what the requirements with a dark secret means, but maybe it's the story of the case of the requirements? Maybe it is about the requirements for something. But likely it's the case of the American Mafia? The requirements can't be right. And maybe interpret as the shocking crime. The requirements with a dark secret. Could be a tagline. They likely just want any well-known case. And for TTS, short sentences. Let's pick the Black Dahlia murder. Lisa the Black Dahlia was found dead in 1947, cut into two. That has dark secret. Head and body in TTS, short sentences. And now craft 180 words. And need to start with a shocking hook in first 10 seconds, e.g. She was sliced in half. The killer left a note. Her death shocked Los Angeles. But first 3 seconds must be immediate. We can't exactly time. But we can start with short hook. She was sliced in half. A note in her pocket. That is short. And now we need N explains case. Ends with question. And let's count words quickly. NN. She was sliced in half. A note in her pocket. 10. NN. In 1947, a Hollywood starlet named Elizabeth Short was found dead in a vacant lot in Los Angeles. Police used a gruesome search. They soundly cut her body in two. The killer left a black letter stamp printed, "From the watery depths." No suspects emerged. The city shuddered. The case unraveled. No real evidence. Rumors swirled of a jealous lover, a cop, or an assassin. Yet, months passed with no closure. Let's count words. NN, ek, 9 4 7, 2, 3, Hollywood, 4, starlet, 5, named, 6, Elizabeth, 7, shot, 8, was, 9, found, 10, dead, 11, in, 12, 13, vacant, 14, lot, 15, in, 16, loss, 17, Angeles. 18, police, 19, used, 20, 21, gruesome, 22, search. 23, they, 24, soundly, 25, cut, 26, her, 27, body, 28, in, 29, to. 30, the, 31, killer, 32, left, 33, 34, black, 35, letter, 36, stamp, 37, printed, 38, from, 39, the, 40, watery, 41, depths. 42, no, 43, suspects, 44, emerged. 45, the, 46, city, 47, shuddered. 48, the, 49, case, 50. Unraveled, 51, no, 52, real, 53, evidence. 54, rumors, 55, swirled, 56, off, 57, 58, jealous, 59, lover, 60, 61, cop, 62, or 63, and 64, assassin. 65, yet, 66 months, 67 past, 68 with 69 no, 70 closure dot, 71 and so 71 words in section dot and now. Short sentences end with question. We aim for maybe 60 to 70 words to reach total 180. We need total 150 से 200 words. Add of about 80 words maybe dot and the case remains unsolved. Court cases, confessions, but never a killer. Some say the police hid evidence, others claim a murder cover was needed. In modern times, new DNA tests are small hope. Yet nothing conclusive emerges. The community still whispers. People still wonder, how can a murder so tall be hidden? And who left that letter? Was it the killer, a lover, or the city itself? Do you think hidden secrets sell more crime stories? Let's count words dot. In the एक case, 2 remains, 3 unsolved dot, 4 court, 5 cases, 6 confessions, 7 but, 8 never, 9 10 killer dot, 11 some, 12 से 13 the, 14 police, 15 hid, 16 evidence, 17 others, 18 claim, 19 20 murder, 21 cover, 22 was, 23 needed dot, 24 in, 25 modern, 26 times, 27 new, 28 DNA, 29 tests, 30 are, 31 small, 32 hope dot, 33 yet, 34 nothing, 35 conclusive, 36 emerges dot, 37 the, 38 community, 39 still, 40 whispers dot, 41 people, 42 still, 43 wonder, 44 how, 45 can, 46 47 murder, 48 so, 49 tall, 50 B 51 hidden, 52 and 53 who, 54 left, 55 that, 56 letter, 57 was, 58 it, 59 the, 60 killer, 61 a, 62 lover, 63 or, 64 the, 65 city, 66 itself, 67 do, 68 you, 69 think, 70 hidden, 71 secrets, 72 sell, 73 more, 74 crime, 75 stories, 76 and in total words for 76 combined with 10 numbers in and 71 in dot. Total 10 plus 71 plus 76 157 words. That's within 150 से 200 words. Good dot and now we must start with shocking hook within first 10 seconds. The hook we wrote is 10 words, short sentences. The hook we wrote is basically she was sliced in half, a note in her pocket dot, that is okay dot in but maybe we need more immediate shock. She was sliced in half. She left a note dot, the first 10 seconds, summarizing. The hook type, she was sliced in half dot, that is 5 words. But we can keep dot in and make sure to mark sections exactly with markers and new line dot and add end with a question forces comment, last, tool_calls.